Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat device ban. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for fix Snapchat locked. Okay, you need to search that and click on the first option, my account is locked. Here you need to scroll down. So here you can see two options, my account has been permanently locked and temporarily locked. So it is up to you which issue you are facing. So I'm going to select this one for example. Okay, scroll down and click on this mark, and here you need to send the request to the support team. Click here. Okay, and here you need to, what can we help you with? So here you need to select the reason, and here you can see if your account has been compromised and you can no longer access. So you need to fill out the form. You simply need to enter your username, your email, your mobile number, your description, and click on submit. Then the Snapchat team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help to resolve your issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.